Assalamualaikum alim kids. Today we are going to do a fun fruit platter with teacher Didi. Okay, now I've prepared seedless grape, a banana, dates, almonds, and honey. Okay, right now we have to cut the grapes, the banana, and we have to remove the pit from the dates. Like this one, okay? Alright, now we are ready to decorate our fruit platter. Prepare one plate and we are going to start with the dates. Now I'm going to take the dates and put it like this. So why are we using dates? Because dates is very healthy. And why? Because it's the month of Ramadan. And as a Muslim, it is good for us to eat the dates. Okay, right now we are going to put the almonds on top of the dates. Besides almond, you can also put raisins or even oats. Now we have arranged like this. I'm going to take bananas, and arrange it like this. Okay kids, I would like to ask you, what month are we right now? Yes, Ramadan. What do we do during Ramadan? We fast. Okay, right now I'm going to take the grapes and arrange it on top of the bananas. Besides grape, you can use oranges, kiwi, or even apple. This one, I'm making leaves. Okay, like that. Now I'm done with the grapes. I'm going to take a piece of bananas, put it here. And I'm going to take the honey. I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the banana. I'm going to make a shape of sun. Let's see if I can make. I hope it will look like the sun. Now, why am I using honey? Because you can dip the almond with the honey, or you can change the honey with the chocolate. Now it's done. Alhamdulillah. Let's eat.